Few warriors live to retire. Buy my weapons, and you might. And when you carry my weapon, I fight alongside you. Enjoy the thrill of battle. Well, you can. Nufo teaches stillness. I prefer action.
I hope I didn't hurt it too bad.
Gigamart's owner is the ultimate businessman. Take the deal. Spend 300 more for free shipping. I'll carry it to your vehicle.
Oh, you want to help me test my designs?
At Gigamart, we have everything, so those carts are huge for a reason. Buy more! If you buy one more, I might get promoted. No pressure, though.
The bazaar will never be a safe place, but I'm trying.
My battle days are over, but my weapons crave more. Go make some more stories, then come back and tell me. Use it well. Make me proud.
What specs are you running? Oh, good luck.
Something sleeps within me. Don't wake it up. bear's the head softer than you. Impressive.
Something big's going on. I'm sure you'll want to see it. Ooh, I've sent a lot of clients there. Most didn't come back.
I've studied for this. I can win. Thanks for going easy on me.
Food is life.
Yes! Flying high.
They don't make these like they used to.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation. See that mountain? That's Pole. He might have what you need.
Got a few new designs I want to try. Let me know what you think.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? Well, I guess motivation isn't everything.
If you have to ask the price, you can't afford it. You want to buy that? I mean, excellent choice. Shall I track it for you? Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless.
Inlanders. Plump and pampered as babies. The dunes favor you, Inlander.
You met my brother Flex? What a meathead, right?
Upgrade everything, even me.
I teach, you learn. We're a good team. You seem lighter. I think you had a breakthrough.
When we're done here, stop by my shop for a tune-up.
Go ahead. Underestimate me. It makes this more fun. paint my ship red, but I don't use
You've just taken the first step toward good taste. You're a smart one for your size. Remember, diamonds come in small boxes.
Just let it...
It was good before. Now it's amazing.
You move, you breathe, you enemy! Not tell Queen that Kyver lose. Come on in. Let's chat.
The better I get, the more I can help.
I was expecting you 0.5 seconds ago. Look at this! So fast now!
After I break all your stuff, I'd be happy to repair it.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabarians. Now that was invigorating!
Few parts from that one into a few gaps in this one. Boom!
Every faction in the Bazaar is coming for that ship, but I'm getting there first. You know why you won? Because they planned it that way.
Get good so you can do good.
When you're ready, I'll send you to Orlin. But I'll keep you as long as I can.
I'll fly rings around you.
My dreams are too big for you to steal. Next time, I'll show you what I learned from this.
So bad. I'll let you live, didn't I?
Hello, little sentient. I would give it for free, but Tiny Andy says that's wrong.
So much chaos on the streets. I wonder how much is our fault.
I'm a people person, and sometimes I sell stuff.
Now, if I can just learn how to talk to people.
All wisdom has power, but not all power has wisdom.
You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
Is this a social situation? I'm not great at those.
My people believe in peace. Boring! Potential! I bet I'll see you again.
What have you got? Ask anyone. It's always been this way.
Welcome in, hon. What can I get you? You leave it behind, someone else finds it. It all works out.
What part of superior officer do you not understand? Are you very proud of yourself?
Let's make this quick, okay?
If my family saw this, they'd be furious. Okay, go away, please. This is like a sport, right? You're not really mad at me.
You are a child to me, and I will punish you. Time is long, but I have none left for you.
Let me lift you up, back onto your path.
I'll figure something out. Watch out, Tantius Industries. Stelle's workshop's on the rise.
Return to your sand. I have failed, but Comax will not.
Want to get lunch after this? Is that weird? Hey, Uncle Odie. Maybe I'll be training you soon.
You will not die, will you? Makes Ryukon look bad.
I would never debase my wares by haggling. Ugh. Tell everyone you got it here. Whoever said money can't buy class had neither.
I'm finished with fighting, but I enjoy the thrill of battle. Well, you can. Hey, when you carry my weapon, I fight alongside you.
I didn't want to hurt you, but you didn't give me a choice.
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back. Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise. If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
Some engineers fix things. I make them. A bucket saved my life once. You just never know. Hey, I use that brand myself. Quality stuff.
Yeah, been working out. What specs are you running? Oh, Good luck.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
People first, profit 10th. So, how about this weather where... Oh, you're leaving.
I'm just your guide. The beasties are your teachers. See how she crouches before the strike? You can use that.
I was just trying to go to the hardware store.
Discounts for peace! Your aura guided me to what you needed.
A serious upgrade! Every test improves the design.
Cap does good work. We keep it tightened, tempered, oiled, and tuned.
I'd rather build stuff than break it, but inventions need testing.
Some hunters lay traps. I like to face my prey. I'll remember that trick on my next hunt.
Size dilutes the brain. Mine is highly concentrated. I think that suits you beautifully.
One of us.
The Grand Society of Master Merchants welcomes you. Oh, maybe I can resell this to my boys. You see that, Barkin? That's how it's done.
Ah, a friend. I mean, a customer. Now, if that doesn't work out for you, come back for a refund.
That's a 24% increase in fuel efficiency.
I've taught you all I can.
Hi, I'm Stelle Ingenious. Wanna fight?
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
Any good fights lately? Well, I do miss it. Go make some more stories, then come back and tell me. Nufo teaches stillness. I prefer action.
I came here to trade, not conquer. But I will reconsider. Impossible! Who are you?
Every day on these streets teaches me so much.
There's a special promotion today. If I could just sell 1,000 more, our owner might notice me. Thank you. What else can I get for you?
Come with no weapons, leave with big bargains. You're listening to your needs. That's good, I guess.
Let's stress test our gear, yeah?
Please, you don't want to do this.
Man too weak. Let creature control.
Not if I can help it.
Are tools weapons? Well, that's up to you. It's always that tool you thought you'd never need that ends up saving your butt. Bet you'll be surprised when that comes in handy.
The smaller the portions, the finer the meal. Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless. Whoever said money can't buy class had neither.
This must be at least 26.8% better?
You look at me, we fight! We fight again! Later!
Aleha has no idea how much we have to learn.
Soon I think you will be ready for Adira's training.
I would only sell these if you listen to their lore. I owned that for 200 years. It's hard to let go. Zosima says owning less will unburden me. I am testing the theory. Oh, I have not cursed any of my items.
Just a little friendly sparring, right?
If you knew my true purpose, you would stand aside. If you think you've hurt my feelings, I assure you I have none.
Uncle Odie? Building a better bazaar.